On Saturday, April the 25th, just a few hours after the earthquake in Nepal, physiotherapists from Handicap International were already helping out in Kathmandu hospitals. Hundreds of people have already benefited from essential rehabilitation care, giving them the best chance to fully recover from their injuries and avoid disabling complications. In cases of amputation or spinal cord injury, the first days are decisive, and the work done with the patients will allow them to regain mobility and comfort as quickly as possible. But the needs are also great outside Kathmandu. Handicap International has deployed a team of physiotherapists to Trisuli Hospital, just 7 miles away from the epicentre of the earthquake. A truck loaded with orthopaedic equipment has also reached the hospital, allowing over 100 people who had surgery to get back on their feet as soon as possible.